Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Eva, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to take this off. I think it's stuck because when I put it in, I forced it in. I don't want to have it on. Oh my god, I can't take it off. Oh my god. Give me 1 second. Okay. I'm just gonna have to do it this way. I'll try to take it off in a little bit. Alright, so thank you guys so much for clicking onto my video today. Today's video, as you can tell through the description, this is gonna be an empty house tour. Yeah, so I just got this house and I am so excited. I love it. Like, I'm gonna start with the back first because it's just, I love the back. I love it. And you guys are gonna know why. So if you are interested in seeing my new home, go ahead and stay. Hey guys, so this is the backyard. It's small, and that's kind of what I like about it, because I have the little two dogs and I don't want them to be just going everywhere. And so that is my side gate. I can put in my little old school car in here. They just said that they're gonna fix the fence, so we're gonna wait on that. And then this is all little patio. I'm gonna fix it up, and let's start with this tree. So this tree, it's lemons. Oh my god, that is like the best. Like, nosotros somos bien limoneros, so this is gonna like hella come in handy, especially because the lemons are heck expensive right now. Another lemon tree. Check this out. And they have so many. And then this one, look at these peaches. When I first came, these peaches were not even like this. They're duraznos, and oh my god, I love them so much. Voy a disfrutar mucho of this house because I just love it. Look at that. Another one there. And then I think that's another peach too here. And look at that one. I just love it. I need to come in. So this is the little storage room that I have now, I guess. It has a key. This is it. And they made this. They actually made, lo levantaron and everything. Like, he made this with his own hands. And that is like so cool. And it has like the storage. I could definitely store a lot of things in here. Like, if I have a lot of things, huh? And then look at these ones. These are pomegranates. Oh my god. My daughter loves these. I love these too, but no me los sé comer. I don't know how to eat them. And then look at this. This is the best part. It has like a little roof right here. I'm not sure how to take it down, so I'm not gonna take it down. I'll probably post a picture of it later. And then it has a little doggy doors, and they sleep in there. I'm gonna be changing the carpet in there. And then if we go back here, the nopal. No pueden faltar nopales. Like, I love these, and I'm so excited of the nopal. I'm super excited of that. So I hella want to make me some nopales con huevos. And then this little gate. My dogs are definitely gonna be able to go in through there. How nice that. Like, I just love the backyard. I cannot get over it. And then it has this little side entrance as well. And here's more durazno, and it already has so much fruit. But this one they did say que lo van a quitar because it's gonna crack the cement right there, or the gate. So they're gonna take it off like next year. So I am gonna be able to get some peaches before that. Let's go, let's go. And here's the side gate. So definitely I don't think my dogs would be able to get on. That's what worries me more. Yeah. Alrighty. Can I go up? I need to fix that. Alright. This is the front yard. I'm not gonna show the front because of security reasons. In the front yard, I have a lot of fruit as well. So guys, I'm gonna show you the whole house now. This is the door. Que hace mucho ruido. I'm gonna put some oil on that. And this is my door. So if anyone comes, recognizes my door, just knock it. Just knock. So this is the sala. It's small, but it's nice. That way I don't have to be cleaning too much. This whole house is a little small. That way I don't clean too much. Alrighty, so this is a little sala. I like it, I like it. And this is a real one. This is not even electric. I don't even know how to use this, but I'm definitely gonna decor it. And I'm so excited about that. Let's go with the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It has its little bar right here. The kitchen is so small for me. Well, I've had a small kitchen, but it's small, but I like it that it's small, so I don't have too much to clean. It has its little sink. A drawer is missing here. They ordered that already. It has a lot of cajones, and that's what I love, so I can just put everything in there. This little stove, a microwave. She said everything works. My refrigerator. I'm not gonna... yes, not bad. This is one window, and the other window. I love this window, so when I'm here cooking or something and somebody wants to come and visit me, I could just see who it is from here and just be like, yeah, open the door. I'm just like, hi. I love it so much. I just like this little area right here that you can see outside, because in my other house I had to literally just go open the door to see who it is. I couldn't like really see from the side windows. You just can't. Oh, I'm thinking of putting something up there. What do you guys think? Look, this is my view. Turn. It looks so nice. I love it. And we're gonna start with this room. This is the first room. This is like a little office. You can see the outside as well. It's a little office, and it has its little closet too. It's nice. We're gonna continue with the garage later because that's where I'm going to end. This is another room. It's a decent size. It has its little closet as well. Oh, and my son already put his ball there. That's funny. I love this. I love this right here. I hadn't seen it, but this is really good. So he can put his shoes there or whatever. So this is gonna be the boys' room, my son. Anybody have these? I always get like super nervous when I'm around one because I don't know, I feel like, oh, what's up there? You know, like those scare movies that people finally look up there and then I heard something while I'm talking about that. And when people finally go up there and then like they get all cursed and shit or something like that. All right, so this is the bathroom, I believe. Yes, it is. Here's the little bathroom, the mirror, and I definitely need a curtain. I need everything. So that's the bathroom. I'm all showing you my whole house with no lights. This is a little closet. I like this one, the dividers, because I can definitely put cobijas, towels, toilet paper, whatever I want, I could do. That's a little closet right there. It looks small, huh? Alrighty, this is a little hallway too, if you didn't notice. This is the next room. This is gonna be my daughter's room. She is so excited. You can see the peaches and then the hound peach. She just opens the window and she grabs it, right? Like, this is so nice. I just love it. This is really a good size for her. I'm gonna really decorate her room. There's a little closet here as well. Nice, nice. I don't think that's enough space for her, to be honest. She has so much clothes, shoes, and I think she has more clothes and shoes than I do. You guys, give me an idea. What do I put on here? The TV, right? I'm gonna need a big TV. Yeah. So to fill in. All right, and then this is the master bedroom. This is gonna be a room. The master bedroom. You start off with a sliding door in the master bedroom. Open. Oh my God. Alrighty, so this is a little tub. I think it's dirty for the moment. There you go. See. This is a little bathroom. I like this because in the tarde, all of the sun hits from that way and it comes over here. So it's not even dark. Because you know those bathrooms that have like their own little door like this? They always end up being like little dark bathrooms. And I hate that. I hate it. I like the little bulbs up there. Light bulbs. And then the closet. It's like amazing. I love it. Like this section for like my pants and my shirts. My little dresses on top. I just like it so much. What do you guys think? See? I can definitely like hang my dresses and my sweaters or something. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna do something about it. And this is it. I think that's the only thing I am not liking is the ruido of the freaking gallos. Like that's probably like the only thing, because I am a very, like I want to sleep. I'm the type of person like, leave me alone, I need my sleeping time. But if those gallos are like freaking cantando todo el día, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Does this open? Oh, it does open. And a little towel here. Yeah, so I can't wait to clean everything and just get it moving in. And it is empty, so this is an empty house tour. Then I'll do a furnished house tour. This is so cool. What is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, the light. So that is my little house tour. And I'm so oh my God. Déjame. Like that TikTok, the gallo. Like, la cagó el gallo. Alrighty, and this little thing here, I don't even know what it was, but it's for that little ceiling fan. It's so cool. Like I could just put like a table here, a couple of chairs, and just enjoy outside with a little fan. These are my neighbors. I don't know anyone yet. Okay, I locked it. Yeah, so look how nice this is. I like it. You guys don't like it, I don't really mind, but I love it. Here's the garage. I'm gonna open the door because I do not know where the light is at. And there is the little outside. I've already have all my clothes there so I can clean this whole house. This is a garage. I already brought a couple of things and my sofas. I don't know what that is. It wasn't there earlier. Oh, it looks like it's peeling. I don't know. So don't mind that. But yeah, either way, I need to open this because I'm gonna start unloading I do that? Oh, got scared. Okay, guys, so this is my garage. As you see, I don't want to open that because I don't really want to show too much of the outside of my house, just because everybody knows each other in Stockton, and I don't really want everybody to know where I live. And if I even show like the outside, they're like people that I know, they're already gonna know, oh, you live right there, right there, right there. Like everybody knows each other. So yes, I did already mention I'm moving to Stockton so I'm coming from Lodi to Stockton, and I'm not too excited about that. I don't really like to be in Stockton. I love Lodi, but this is what I found. This is just amazing. I just love the little house. I love it, and it's a good area. It's a quiet area. From the little times that I've been here, like, you don't really hear anything outside. You just see a lot of kids playing around, and that's a good thing. That's a plus, because I want my kids to be outside playing around as well. If other kids are playing outside, that means because parents like kind of like they, how do you say it? Yeah, so they feel like safe. All right, so that's like a good thing too. So far so good. I am loving it, as you can tell, and I mentioned so many times. But yeah, so I hope you guys really like my video, and it's a short one today, but go ahead and like and subscribe, please, if you want to. But other than that, stay tuned for my furnished house tour. If you guys want one, let me know. And let me know what other videos you guys want to see, or in depth of like the fruit or anything. Just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll go ahead and make that happen. But again, thank you guys so much for being here, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.